Hey folks, it's Mitch from NZCS here. Sometimes when an app just isn't quite playing ball on your computer, the best way to close it down is either A, restart your computer, or B, using Task Manager to force close the frozen or misbehaving app. Not many people know about Task Manager in general, so I've got my laptop here in front of me and we're going to go in and show you how Task Manager works and how it can help you get your PC up and running again, including the troublesome app. Let's check it out. So on my laptop here, I currently have a Microsoft Word document open that is pretty much frozen and not responding the way it should. So I could close the Word document, but there is a risk that something in the background, a background task for Microsoft Word that is misbehaving, is still currently running and can cause further issues. So the best way to sort this out is either, as mentioned, give the PC a reboot, or use Task Manager to force close Microsoft Word. To open up Task Manager, one of the easiest ways, in my opinion, is to simply right-click on the taskbar, anywhere on the taskbar at the bottom of your PC, and then hit Task Manager. By default, the Processes tab should show up first, and under the Apps list, you should see apps populate that are currently running on your machine. So you can see Microsoft Word is there. To force end the task, all I need to do is either right-click on it and go End Task, or a single click and End Task in the top right corner. This will force close Microsoft Word. As you can see, Word has been suspended and has been forcibly shut down. Now, one thing to note is that sometimes a background process can still be running. So I'm just going to quickly check as part of best practice to see if there's anything for Microsoft Word running in the background. As you can see, nothing here for Microsoft Word, so I should be able to close Task Manager now and open up a new instance of Word, which should work perfectly fine. Perfect. And that is how easy it is to use Task Manager to force close an app that simply is not behaving the way it should. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.